Before we start, just a quick public service announcement. If you need wipers, please don't wait when it's about to rain to tell your mechanic or your friend that you need wipers, because telling them on a short notice that you need wipers might not be enough time for them to get you the correct sizes. So give them enough time so they can get you the correct wipers. Is that clear, Angel? Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the wiper blades for this 2002 Volkswagen Passat, and we will be using PIAA Silicone wipers. Now, we are not sponsored by this company, but they are really good, especially with the silicone wipers, and these wipers are still made in Japan. So you know that they are made with quality. For this Volkswagen Passat, the wiper blade sizes are 21-inch for the driver's side and 19-inch for the passenger side. But because I didn't have time to buy the correct size, we'll put an 18-inch on the passenger side, which is not a big deal, but it's just 1 inch smaller than the regular size. The first step that you need to do is raise the wiper arm away from the windshield. Now, before removing the wiper blade from the wiper arm, put some soft cloth or foam like this on the windshield to protect it while the wiper blade is out, and in case that the wiper arm falls back on the windshield so it doesn't damage it. And in addition, because it's very windy right now, I'm gonna tape the foam on the windshield so it doesn't fly away like the last time. Now let's remove the wiper blade. On this Bosch wiper blade, you have to lift up the front part of the wiper blade, then wiggle it downwards. And that's how you remove this Bosch wiper blade. Now, for additional information, the attachment for the wiper arm for this Volkswagen is a J-type hook. So make sure that the wiper blade that you buy has a J-type attachment to it, because there are different variations of attachment for wiper arms. Now let me show you what's inside the PIAA silicone wiper package. You have your wiper arm, some wipes, and adapters for the J-hook. Now let's select which J-hook attachment fits in the Passat. Now let's check which adapter fits. Start with the smallest one. Alright, the smallest one is too small. Let's go with the next size up. Alright, this next size seems to be the correct fit. So get your wiper blade and attach the adapter. Let it snap in place. Ouch. With the adapter in place, slide your wiper blade into the arm, on the J-hook arm, then raise it up until you hear the click, which means it latched on. And there you go, it's installed. Let's do the same thing on the passenger side. And of course, don't forget to move your windshield protector, just to be safe. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Same process, lift up the lock on top, then wiggle the blade down. Use the same adapter we used on the driver's side on the passenger side, since we know it fits. So attach it on your wiper blade. Now let's put it on the wiper arm. Same process, slide it downward, then lift it up until it locks in place. There, you heard the click. Take out the protective foam that we put in. But don't put down the wiper blade yet. If you recall, the silicone wipers came with this windshield preparation pack. So let's wipe down the windshield first before putting down the wipers. Ew, look how dirty the windshield is. Now we can put down the wipers and test it. Testing the new wiper blades. Oh, it's so quiet. Although I see another windshield washer not working, more projects to come. And that is how to change the wiper blades for this 2002 Volkswagen Passat with PIAA Silicone wiper blades. And again, don't wait when it's about to rain to tell your friend to help you change the wiper blades. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arja. Thank you for watching.